Tax policy changes. What you need to know for 2024. I know the word tax can send shivers down anyone's spine. The American dream, sunsets on the beach, endless possibilities, and tax season. Yeah, that part isn't quite as picturesque. But before you reach for the pina colada and pretend the next 6 months don't exist, let's face it, 2024 taxes are coming. And this year, they're bringing some significant changes. Deductions that might disappear, brackets that might shift, and enough new rules to make your head spin. But don't worry, we're here to your financial compass and your personal IRS translator. We will equip you with the knowledge you need to protect your hard-earned cash in 2024. So, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and get ready to transform tax season from a nightmare to a breeze. Let's get started. Understanding federal tax bracket adjustments. Starting with federal tax brackets, the income thresholds are shifting. Single filers, listen up. The 22% tax bracket now extends its arms to welcome earnings up to $95,375, a jump from $91,900 in 2023. And for our married friends filing jointly, you'll want to know that the 22% bracket stretches to $190,700, up from $184,800. Decoding standard deduction updates. Standard deduction changes are in the mix for 2024, offering potential benefits for taxpayers. First things first, what exactly is the standard deduction? In the world of taxes, it's a fixed dollar amount that reduces the income on which you're taxed. It's like a financial gift from the government to ease your tax burden. Now, why should you care about it? Because it directly impacts how much of your hard-earned money stays in your pocket and how much goes to Uncle Sam. And for those who are heads of households, your standard deduction is getting a bump from $20,800 to $21,900. It might seem like just numbers, but these increases mean more money staying with you and less heading to the taxman. Tax deductions and credits to consider for tax season 2024. The closest things to magic words when it comes to taxes are deductions and credits. Both help you keep more money in your pocket instead of Uncle Sam's, but in slightly different ways. Tax deductions help lower the amount of your income that can actually be taxed. Some deductions are only available if you itemize your deductions, while others are still available even if you decide to take the standard deduction. Tax credits, on the other hand, are dollar amounts actually subtracted from your tax bill, and there are two types: refundable and non-refundable. If a credit is greater than the amount you owe and it's a refundable credit, the difference is paid to you as a refund. Score. If it's a non-refundable credit, your tax bill will be reduced to zero, but you won't get a refund. Still a win. Here are some potential deductions and credits you might be able to claim on your tax return this year. But while it's never too early to start planning for taxes, the IRS doesn't always follow our schedule. So keep in mind that the details below could change as the 2024 tax season approaches. 1. Charitable deductions. You can deduct charitable contributions you made during tax year 2023 as long as you itemize your deductions and donate to qualified organizations. The limit for charitable deductions is 60% of your adjusted gross income, AGI. By the way, AGI is your total income minus other deductions you've already taken. 2. Medical deductions. If you found yourself with hefty medical bills in tax year 2023, you might be able to find at least some tax relief. You can deduct any medical expenses above 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, AGI. For example, if your AGI was $100,000, you can deduct out-of-pocket medical expenses above $7,500 in tax season 2024. But you have to itemize your deductions in order to write off those expenses on your tax return. 3. Business deductions. If you are self-employed, there are a bunch of deductions you can claim on your tax return, including travel expenses and the home office deduction if you use part of your home for business purposes. And there you have it, folks. Your crash course in 2024 tax changes is complete. Armed with this knowledge, you can conquer this tax season like a pro. Remember, staying informed is key, so keep checking back for updates and share this video with anyone who needs a tax-savvy boost. Don't let these changes leave you scratching your head. Smash that like button and join our tax-savvy community. We'll have more insights, tips, and resources coming your way throughout the year. Plus, leave a comment below with your biggest tax fear or question. We're here to help you navigate this whole crazy tax thing. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and stay ahead of the tax curve.
Audio Jungle.